ka Joint Action Committee JAC jongka NEHUTA NEHU NSA bat ka NEHU mendak sni kalai pui tarik risau kalai ban Pynthut ye ka jingialang jongka Academic Council ka North Eastern Hill University NEHU ka balong hapuk ka kamera conference hall ha office trikam u vice chancellor ka school ba la ban ka dau hang ne VC ulakhot ye ka jingialang jongka Academic Council Henry tang hadin katu ka Nepor kinong yalam ke JAC kila rung hapo conference hall kebadan ha office trikam vice chancellor VC bat kila tha ya baro ban mino nagane ke jingalang kinong yalam ke JAC ila shim ya gane ke sinjam kum kadak ban persha halo ke jingkeno kuman vice chancellor VC man wengkam yu Rohit Prasad ubalasya thungkam bean kum konsultan bat berpenbiang ye jingdon kam haki hostel kidawai haki health center bat kui de.
All members of Academic Council, please come on. Come. What are you doing? This is not a... Members, we request you to come out and join the General Assembly of JAC.
Members of NEHUTA.
ST members of NEHUTA, NEHUNSA, and also the Academic Council member, we request you please to come out and join the JAC. Because this meeting was no meeting, we'll all be inside here. You will never be able to translate anything.
And remember, this is not about this VC, this is not about the AC, this is about
all the
issues,
all members of
all
the
the wrongs that the VC has done.
And it is
Remember
not
that,
right.
keep that in mind.
Please,
Do you have a conscience or not? If you have a conscience, come out. Come out.
Please come out.
Please come
we'll
out.
explain what's going on. Please come out.
Come out to the play.
Please come out. We don't want any ugly scene. Please, members, cooperate. Please come out. Please, members, please cooperate.
Please come.
We request member humbly, please cooperate with us and please come out.
Long live JAC! Long live JAC!
Ambition whatsoever that you can think of. But we are here for NEHU. This is our university. We can't allow it to go to drain and somebody driving it to the drain. That is what we are going to fight for, and we'll make sure that from now on, starting from today, and we of course we have started it many months ago, we will make sure that whoever sits in that chair, he functions his duty like he has been appointed for. If a vice chancellor has been appointed for, he is supposed to discharge his duty as a vice chancellor, following NEHU Act, statute, ordinance, rules and regulations, and also abide by the UGC regulations that are present there. Well, friends, we will talk about it as we keep moving on. We have put forth, if you look at the notification issued by the General Secretary of JAC, dated 28th of October 2023, we have jotted down the most immediate points, the most immediate agenda, the most immediate issues that we need to address as JAC. And I'll read one by one. And we have very conveniently split the agenda based on how much it is relevant to teachers, how much it is relevant to non-teaching staff, and hence I will be dwelling upon few of them. Then I will give my co-chairman, Dr. Damodar Sundram, who will also address on those issues. And then, of course, when NEHU join us, there are those issues that concerns to them directly. However, all these issues are concerned with we as stakeholders of this university. So, once again, before we deliberate, I welcome